During our visit to Kiama Blowhole and Minnamurra Lyrebird Loop Rainforest Walk, we stayed at Werri Beach Holiday Park, which is located about 10-minute drive south of Kiama and about 20 minutes north of Nowra, which is in the Illawarra region of New South Wales. It's conveniently located a short walk to the bowling club, beach and the vibrant town of Gerringong, offering a number of cafes, restaurants, boutique shops, grocers, etc. So we're doing the Minnamurra Rainforest Walk, which looks absolutely spectacular. So that's the initial intention, to come over to Minnamurra Rainforest, but unfortunately the Rainforest Walk is closed. We've had so much rain, there's been huge amount of carnage in the south coast. There's been landslides, and so we're going to do the Lyrebird Walk, the loop. So we'll do that and take you through. So the walk starts here. So it's like there's a nice little river. Cascades down there. It's just beautiful along here, and it's so much cooler, so bring a jacket if you tend to get cold easily. Now, just reading up there, we could see that it says that you can find some toadstools around if you have a look at some logs around the place. There's also some lyrebirds that you can see, also some green tree frogs you can also see too. So there's a lot of wildlife around here, and also some kingfisher birds you can see. They say fishing off this waterway. So when you're down, make sure you keep your ears out and your eyes, nice and focused, because you might be able to see some of this wildlife. Some nice natural foghorns over on the tree over there, which look gorgeous. So you come along and you'll see these suspension bridges. Apparently there's a few along the walk. Now you'll come across these beautiful trees and vines. It's really pretty. So Minnamurra, I just read the word means plenty of fish in Aboriginal. That's pretty cool to know. You'll also see these cool ferns right up the top of the trees, which is pretty incredible. So this old cedar tree has been here for years. It's one of the last ones that have survived. So back in the day, they logged a lot of these cedar trees from the area. So this one has survived. It's pretty massive. So there's very few of these trees in the area now. This is another red cedar tree. They are enormous, and the canopies just stretch out. Beautiful. Run, 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 run. So this is where they've blocked it all off for the Rainforest Walk. Unfortunately, there's been a landslide, so they're unable to open it up for the general public. Now there's a sight you don't see often, cows crossing the road. Right. Wow.
See? Keep that blowhole.
Imagine if he was standing right at the end.
Thank you. Sienna?
No, I'm terrible at
So this is all volcanic rock around the blowhole.
They were selling shells here the other day. The Fiji purposes. Send them around. Hang on. Slowly bending
So what have you got there, Sienna?
I've got rocks from the blowhole,
Yeah.
and it's kind of like a little step up here, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them.
Mm.
Here, this one, this one, this one,
Beautiful.
and last one.
There's that one. We just read in the plaque there that they used to quarry these rocks. Well, Becky read in the plaque. And they used to quarry these rocks and make them into the blue metal, the pebbles that you see here. A long time ago. So yeah, there's plenty of information plaques about that along the walk from the blowhole through to the main town. So walking down from the blowhole and the lighthouse, you can see there's a bit of a boat harbour, there, and there's you can buy some fresh oysters from there or some fish and chips. So yeah, if you're into seafood. So Kiama Harbour. Yep, so it's the Kiama Harbour boat ramp, and they've also got chartered fishing boats here as well. And that was our trip to the south coast. Such a great little getaway, only a couple of hours, under a couple of hours from Sydney, so well worth the getaway for the weekend.